Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna show you how to do this eyeliner very easily. But I also am gonna show you guys a review on this new eyeliner pen. We're gonna get right into the tutorial on how to do this eyeliner look. Really simple and really easy. If you wanted to stick around and see how I do the other eye, if you want to see it one more time, the technique one more time, but not only that, I'm gonna try out this new eyeliner, Luna Liner by Seraphine Botanicals. It's water resistant liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna try it out for the first time on this eye. Let's get right into it. I wanted to show you how I do my eyeliner. It's kind of easy. Some days it's easier than others, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go in with oh my god. I'm gonna go in with my the e.l.f. eyeliner. This is like $1. Get my product on my brush so that my brush is like a little bit pointy. You can't even see. I get it so that it's like into a point. So my eye ends like about here. I'm gonna go out about here. That's like the end of my eye. And I'm gonna go up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go over and kind of curve it a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in. Whoa, girl, going crazy. Okay, and then you just swipe down again. Just swipe. I'm gonna go in with my El Maquillage, and I'm gonna go ahead and stay close to my lash line and go and do little strokes to connect it. I'm even gonna kind of go in to my lash line. And then I'm gonna fill this in. You see that? Perfect. And that is how you do your eyeliner. I think my e.l.f. eyeliner is done for. I'm gonna kind of like start my wing. Like I'm gonna imagine where I want my eyeliner to be, especially because my eyes are so like small and I don't have that much space, so I want to kind of elongate my eye with the wing. So I'm gonna start where I want it to go, like this area right here. So I'm just gonna kind of start a line outward and then go up, and that's my point right there. But then I'm just gonna kind of clean that up a little bit, and then I'm gonna get a little more product. I'm just gonna start filling that wing. Now that I have this like basic shape, I go in with this pencil. I go in with this eyeliner pen, and this eyeliner pen is called Il Maquillage. I don't even know what that is. It's made in Germany. It's ink liner black. It's pretty cute. I usually use that, but what I'm gonna use is this water resistant liquid eyeliner. It's called Luna Liner by Seraphine Botanicals. This also came in my mom's Ipsy box. And I know I probably didn't do this. I didn't do this eye like that good. But we're gonna fix it. And I'll show you how to do the other eye too. Cause I have two different eyes and I have two different eyebrows. So okay. Water resistant liquid eyeliner. Okay, looks good so far. But the reason I like this one is because look at that. Look at them compared. So I have the Botanicals right here. And then I have the one I use every day, the Il Makiage right here. It's way fucking better. No shade, no tea, but okay. We're gonna try it. We haven't even tried it yet. So I'm gonna like just touch my eyelid. This eyeliner is not cute right now. And I'm just gonna kind of go under a little bit, like as close to my lashes as I can. And it's kind of like rough, like. Okay, and I'm gonna keep staying close to my lash line. With this pen again, clean up and like define and sharpen this over here. But I'm not liking this eyeliner. It's scraping it off. It's scraping it off. Okay, fuck this eyeliner. Oh, screw this eyeliner. The eyeliner's not cute, so I'm gonna just go back in with my e.l.f. and fill in my wing where it got freaking messed up. Okay. Alright guys, that was the look. What do you think? Let me know if you guys think it was easy. Let me know if you're like, bitch, or what if you're like, girl, eyeliner is easy already. Like, nobody needs to know how to do eyeliner. But I had like my friend May asked me to do it. I had my sister, I had my cousin, like tell me what you guys need to know. My grandma's over here talking about, I don't even know what that means. You should explain that more, or should have, you know, went in detail. And I'm over here like, I feel dumb. So why don't you guys tell me something? You know what I mean? All I know is that I'm just gonna do what I do every day. I don't know, like, what the hell? Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, you guys, I don't know. Comment down below if you think this was useful, basically, is what I'm saying. I didn't mean to get crazy. Alright, guys. Like this video, subscribe, share with your friends. You guys are my friends. My friend, what? Bye.